Las Vegas is a uniquely extreme environment where intense heat and dry air rapidly deplete the human body. This depletion targets four groups: tourists in the nightlife, traveling executives, endurance athletes, and those focused on long-term wellness optimization. This quadrant chart maps these groups. When environmental and physical stress intersect with professional demands, all four demographics land in the highest stress zones. When the body reaches the state of acute depletion, any water or oral supplements you consume must travel the entire length of the digestive tract. During that journey, stomach acids and metabolic processes degrade many vitamins and minerals before they reach the bloodstream. Intravenous therapy bypasses the gastrointestinal system entirely, introducing nutrients directly into the blood for 100% absorption and immediate cellular repair. This creates a specific choice. Do you wait out a slow, natural recovery, or pay for a concierge medical intervention to restore your baseline health immediately? Choosing a mobile IV trades a service fee for biological efficiency, allowing you to reclaim time that would otherwise be lost to physical recovery. We can evaluate this trade-off by matching specific formulations to different scenarios, starting with the acutely depleted tourist. Their recovery requires a 1-hour infusion of saline or lactated ringer solution, enhanced with B vitamins and anti-nausea medications. This intervention rehydrates vital organs and flushes inflammatory toxins, often neutralizing severe symptoms in less than 60 minutes. The trade-off is strictly financial. You are paying to avoid the 12 to 24 hours of downtime usually required for the body to process fluids and recover naturally. Now, consider the endurance athlete dealing with fluid loss and muscle fatigue after training in the Nevada climate. Their protocol focuses on a targeted blend of magnesium, calcium, and essential amino acids delivered post-exertion. These inputs replace lost electrolytes and reduce the oxidative stress in the muscles that causes severe cramping. For the athlete, the trade-off is logistical. It requires scheduling around training sessions to significantly shorten the physiological window between workouts. In both acute scenarios, the value of the service is measured by how much the user prioritizes saving those 24 hours of physical suffering. For high-performing professionals, the analysis shifts from reactive recovery to proactive maintenance. Returning to the matrix, the executive uses high-dose vitamin C and zinc to fortify the immune system while they continue working from a laptop or participating in calls. This sustains energy levels and protects against pathogens in crowded environments without requiring a break in the professional schedule. The trade-off is a proactive financial investment, securing peak cognitive performance before a potential illness can derail a high-stakes workweek. A different demographic, the wellness optimizer, uses the same clinical tool for long-term vitality through a coenzyme called NAD+. NAD+ is essential for DNA repair and metabolic function, but natural levels decline as we age, slowing down cellular energy production. This protocol involves longer infusion times and a commitment to recurring sessions for both NAD+ and glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. The cumulative outcome includes improved skin elasticity, reduced systemic inflammation, and optimized liver function. The optimizer's trade-off is the highest tier of financial and time investment, targeting long-term health outcomes rather than immediate relief. Proactive IV therapy shifts the focus away from symptoms, using consistent cellular nourishment to build a robust baseline against chronic stress. Mobile IV therapy functions as a clinical tool for time-sensitive recovery, exchanging a service fee for rapid nutrient delivery. To decide, use this framework. First, identify, are you in acute distress or seeking optimization? On the acute path, is reclaiming 12 hours worth a cost of $150 to $300? If yes, booking a hangover or athletic trip minimizes your recovery window. If no, and your budget is the priority, then drinking water and resting is the more appropriate, though much slower option. On the optimization branch, the deciding factor is consistency. Are you willing to commit to a recurring schedule for your infusions? If you can commit to that schedule, you are an ideal candidate for long-term NAD+ or immunity protocols. If you are looking for a one-time fix for aging or chronic fatigue, Stick to over-the-counter supplements, as a single IV session will not provide those long-term benefits. Finally, keep in mind that clinical safety requires a proper IV line. Anyone with a severe needle phobia should seek alternative methods of wellness support. An informed health decision in an extreme environment requires matching the specific clinical tool to the actual demands of your body and your schedule.